TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 12 noon Eastern time on Thursday, final trading day of the month of September, and we're hitting session lows as we speak, folks. You got the S&Ps down 23 points, trading at 43.27. We zoom in on the action overnight. You're negative 23 points, but man, we had been a lot higher coming into the overnight session. You had a high print of 43.89. You're talking about more than 60 points off of the high that we had and almost 70 points from the lows that we made just in the last 15 minutes as things really accelerated. Tech stocks, the only thing in the green still, you're talking about a NASDAQ 100 positive by 14 points. The Dow accelerating lower, 33,900 on the dot was the low we got on the Dow. We got the Russell, negative 7 points right now at 22.15. Bitcoin catching a bid, up $2,000 at 43,235. Quite a day for gold. Gold up $36. This morning, you're trading at close to 17.21. Right now, you're trading 17.59. Gold up more than 2% right now. You got silver up 57 cents, clawing back a lot of the losses we had yesterday in silver to 22.06. We jumped to notes and bonds, a little bit of higher price and lower yield, a little bit of a reprieve from what we've been getting recently. You got the 10-year up 6 ticks. You got the 30-year up 9 ticks right now. We jump over to the VIX. As we're getting some negative action in the markets, we get some positive action in the VIX. VIX trading 23.18 right now. Back to the S&Ps. We're going to put this on a weekly first, 3-year weekly. And you can see, you could make the argument that we've broken out of that lower trend over the last 3 weeks of September. You take a look at the monthly, all right, just for some context here. This is the first red bar in, what is that, since January on a monthly basis? Let me go back to, in the S&P futures, zooming back in. First red bar going back to January. You take it from the lows of last March, folks. This is only the fourth red bar for the month. When you look where we are, we only have 3 red months in all of that time. You think what we're living through, right? You think in terms of the volatility that's out there. Nothing too dramatic just yet, but nonetheless, you're talking about a negative month to the tune of 220 points. That's about a 5% pullback. All things considered, still relatively healthy for the year in the S&Ps, but should be an interesting wrap-up to the month of September as we close out the session today. Stay tuned, folks. We got our man Larry. He is coming up live right now, I believe, and then we got at 1 o'clock Steve Rhodes, 2 o'clock Dave White, 3 o'clock Tom O'Brien, my dad, and don't forget, starting Monday, folks, we're going to have Fast Market at noon Eastern time. Larry Pesavento moving to 11 a.m. That is Monday, coming up after the weekend. But we got one more day of trading. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.